Hello, good evening to all of you. How are you all? Hope you all are fit and fine. This is Rajib Datta in front of you. I took on the 100 video challenge in 100 days. Dear listeners, I'm still learning English. Please forgive me if I make any mistakes. My today's topic is about winter season. Winter season is one of the most beautiful times of the year. It usually starts in December and lasts until February in Bangladesh. During this season, the weather becomes cool and fresh and the air feels clean. People wear warm clothes like sweaters, jackets, and shawls to stay comfortable. Winter mornings are often foggy and the sun rises slowly, giving a calm and peaceful feeling. Many people enjoy drinking hot tea, coffee, or soup to keep warm, and children love playing outside in the cool weather. Winter is also the time when many fruits and vegetables like orange, guavas, and carrots are fresh and tasty. Farmers are busy harvesting their crops, and people like to visit parks and riverside to enjoy nature. Although winter is short, it brings happiness, health, and joy to everyone. And it is a perfect season to spend time with family and friends. Thanks for listening patiently. See you in the next video. Goodbye for today.